We are DeepSpace. We're a play-to-earn GameFi DPS on the BNB chain. Our main focus is on having a fun game, leveraging the blockchain for our economy and player ownership. One of the things that sets us apart from some of the others, especially some of, I guess, the earlier ones, is we have a big focus on making a fun game. We want to have a game that's cutting edge. It's fun for people to employ. It takes some strategy, takes some thought. It isn't just clicking and clicking away. And we believe that if you have a solid game design, an engaging foundation, then the blockchain back end for the economy, it just kind of comes naturally rather than feeling like it's forced into the environment. We have a really large team, very active community. We have a team probably around 40 people of game designers, game developers, lore, folks, sound effects, all that type of stuff. So the core of our game makes up 3 kind of sub-games within one. There's an exploration phase. You actually launch into a hangar, select your ships, fly around the universe looking for things to discover, looking for ships to fight, enemies to attack, things like that. You can visit the planets, you can enter the planet's orbit and then choose to do mining for resources, or choose to take on some combat on that planet and try to win resources in doing combat. The combat is a turn-based strategy combat on a hex map. So what'll happen is when you get attacked or you choose to attack somebody, you're actually going to load into this kind of other game. And same with the mining. Currently, this is all under development, but it's all going to be 3D and pretty awesome when it's done. So some of the video you're going to see here in a moment is it's a little bit early. Development stage is still going on, but you will get the idea. So this is the hangar where you select your ships and launch into the game, and our exploration phase. And while you're flying around, you can discover things, get into fights, all that fun stuff. Okay. And this is our combat map. So if you end up in combat, you're here. Here's the ship. It's using its special ability, which is a cluster attack. And it's going to attack this ship here. It does main damage and then additional bounce damage to the others. This is our mining phase. Still very early on the resource mining. So this is a lot more work to be done here to polish it up and make it look good. Same with the combat. All of this is still under development. So that's a little bit of the game footage. As I said, really the key thing for the game is you're out there collecting resources. Getting resources by discovering things. You can mine land for resources. We're going to be doing some land auctions and land sales in the future, so folks will be able to purchase land and earn passive income. And then, of course, by winning combat, you'll be rewarded. And you can use these resources to upgrade your ships. So our game pieces are ships, are proprietary smart NFTs with actually upgradable stats. So as you earn resources and kind of progress through the game, you'll be able to use your prize winnings to either you can build NFT equipment, and then you can use that equipment yourself or sell it. You can sell your raw resources on the marketplace to other people who want to upgrade their ships, or you can upgrade your own ships and increase their stats and essentially level them up, increase their star rating as you go. So our economic balancing is to make this sustainable. It's kind of a peer-to-peer player economy, right? We're building everything around these resources, and we're looking to make good demand for resources everywhere we can. So upgrading ships, building equipment, repairing your ships, lots of things. We're also focusing in creating demand for DPS, whether it be through fees on the marketplace, or maybe you have to pay a little DPS to repair your ship. It's important for us to have a reason to own the DPS and then take the percentage for the transactions. And any DPS we collect from any transactions is cycled back into the reward pools that players are going to use to actually take the play to earn aspect of things. These are our ships. So we did our Genesis ship collection of minting. They each have a special unique ability that's in the game. So this was a limited minting of 7 days. These ship abilities are unique, and they're not going to be available again. So the next generation of ships, when we release it, is actually going to have different abilities in the game. And you can see on the card there, they also have stats: speed, attack, special attack, mining, health, shields, and so forth. And then a luck stat, which is a very interesting stat used in a lot of different mechanisms. Our initial minting, we sold about $1 million worth of ships. We sold 28,000 ships. About 25% of those were burned. We use Chainlink VRF in our minting processes so that we can ensure transparency. And real quick, this is our marketplace. So we wrote a completely custom marketplace to support the game. This is what we call the outpost. You can sort, of course, by price and a lot of different other aspects. And your inventory. Of course, now my computer wants to not cooperate. We have the vault, which is ship staking, and you can actually, so we actually gamified this a little bit. So the stats I showed you all add up to a total sum, and that total sum dictates how much of the staking pool you get. And we also leverage the luck stat. So these risky pools, if you try to stake your ship into a risky pool, there's a chance it gets destroyed and we burn the NFT. And that's based on the actual luck stat of the NFT. So not only are these stats good in game, but we're looking for other unique uses for them as well. So that's our 5-minute presentation, right on time. Here's our website, deepspace.game, app.deepspace.game. You can visit us on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, and Facebook. So thank you very much.